Welcome to this tutorial on how to crochet the back loop single crochet stitch. It's one of the great stitches to crochet ribbing and a great variation of the regular single crochet. In a regular stitch you will insert a crochet hook into the whole stitch, as I'm going to show you now, where you have two loops on the crochet hook, and the one closest to you is the front loop while the one furthest away from you is the back loop, and this is the loop we're going to insert a crochet hook into. So I'm inserting the crochet hook into the back loop, pulling up a loop like a regular single crochet, yarn over and go through both loops. Let's do another back loop single crochet. I'm finding the back loop and inserting the crochet hook, pulling up a loop, yarn over and go through both. Let's do another one. Insert a crochet hook into the back loop only, pull up a loop, yarn over and go through both. Into the back loop only, pulling up a loop, yarn over and go through both. So this is how easy the back loop single crochet is, and you can see how the texture is forming. Thank you so much for watching this back loop single crochet stitch tutorial.